Does your team feel confident communicating with customers? Do they know what to say and how? Is it difficult to address issues with customers on the phone? We provide training to enhance the communication skills of your team. We will train you to 1. Prepare an efficient phone call. 2. Deal with difficult customers. 3. Negotiate effectively. 4. Cope with different negotiation styles. 5. Improve payments from large companies. 6. Conduct phone calls that bring immediate results. 7. Know the writing techniques that work with customers. Our cash collection training will improve the agility of your team. They will diligently call customers, rapidly resolve issues, and proactively respond to customer needs. This will benefit you in the reduction of overdue debt, ensuring a rapid improvement of your cash flow. Your business will run better. We offer training on cash collection for finance, sales, and order-to-cash people. With decades of B2B experience, we trained 8,000 plus people from all walks of business, including Fortune 500 companies. Our training is of Swiss quality standards and accredited by NCFE. Choose digital training, virtual coaching, live course, and services to enhance your performance. www.classacademy.com. Be the best in class.